Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. What up, money gang? Your girl is back. I got a new gadget in my car. Y'all can see me much better. We ain't doing all that shaking. But I'm happy to be back. I know I ain't gave y'all a video. Maybe I don't think I posted a video. Shoot, maybe it's been a month. And that's because graduation season had a girl busy. I was highly favored and I was happy. But I am back for another month, and then August will be here, and then I'm going on break. We're going on vacation, and yes, your girl taking y'all with me. Don't worry about it. If you're new to my channel, thank you. Welcome. All we do here is make up money ideas, and I hope you are inspired by my videos to join the money gang, because we make money all day, every day. We make money all day, every day. But yes, on this video this week, y'all, this is the video we made in May for my niece's birthday. Her name is May, so we made in May for May. An outfit and a jacket for her birthday. I'm going to show you some clips on how we made it. She helped me. This was her first YouTube video that she actually helped me with. And we're going to show y'all little clips of how we be acting in the background. Hope y'all enjoy. Love y'all always. And make sure y'all hit that bell. Peace. I hope everybody having a wonderful week, wonderful day. Chasing money, loving life, enjoying life, and blocking out the negativity. But as you can see in this, what I'm doing right now, I'm going ahead and measuring the jacket and the dress to make sure that we get the measurements correctly and everything will fit correctly on the garment. Yo, money gang. When I say my niece be doing the damn thing, she came up with this whole idea on her own. The design, the wording, everything. Her pictures, we helped her a little bit with it because, you know, kids be wanting to do the most sometimes. But yes, I really be enjoying working with my niece because she be learning and she be trying to go home and do it herself. Like she do nails now on her own. She could just do her nails just because she been watching her auntie. And, you know, we just be trying to get this money. I'm all about making that money so she ain't got to work for nobody else when she get up to that age. But now she's 16, it's a wrap. So this is the transfer paper I do use for when I'm using, when I'm printing out pictures sometime because, you know, yeah, that sublimation printer, I'm ready to not even do sublimating no more. Because that printer getting on my nerves. Now this vinyl right here, I did get from Amazon and it glows in the dark. And yo, tell me in the comments, give me a good black light or something I could use. Like anybody that watch my videos that make glow in the dark stuff, tell me what lights y'all use. Because this glow in the dark and I could not get no good pictures of it. I can't never get good pictures of my glow in the dark. But I love this glow in the dark. It glows blue. Once you coming from inside, from when you coming from outside to inside, if it's sunny outside, it glows up blue, and of course it glows up in the dark. So she wanted to weed everything. She wanted to do everything, y'all. She was having a little hard time with that vinyl though. That vinyl was giving her a little hell. Now I will say it is very thick. It is thick vinyl. It's not as thin as regular heat transfer vinyl. The blue parts that you see is tape, and she gonna peel that off as well at the end. It's just a protection screen sheet.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can.
Hey, money gang. Hey, yo, can we just look at those nails? Look at them beautiful nails. Yes, your girl did her nails. You know, period. Like I said, all I do is chase that money. All I do is chase that money. Up. But yes, we did those nails, and we actually made that acrylic last year. We kept seeing the little project with the chalk and acrylic. So we took a chance and made some, and we came out with this beautiful brown. And she named it Coffee. So that's the name of the brand, or of the acrylic that we made. But yes, that is custom made acrylic as well. When I say, hey yo, I'll try anything as far as a project, because you never know what you might come out with. And I love trying different craft ideas or different ideas. This is gonna be fun because I'm gonna use some original footage on these. Period. You know this got a microphone, so it's catching everything we say.
No, Sharon.
I be editing it out and cutting them videos
Edit out.
But nope, I'm gonna put my mama in it when you and her had her conversation, and I'm gonna put little bits of me and you in it.
Sharon, no, I said something childish in here.
Girl, you childish. I'll probably put this in.
You know what?
Hey.
You're childish. And DQ on saying that nasty period. Don't nobody say period no more. You think it's funny. It's not funny.
You think it's funny. It's not funny.
I don't talk like that. So don't copy me.
Oh, yeah. We're going to put a whole lot of this in there. Shake it.
They need to take your YouTube channel away from you. That's
shake it. Yeah, like and comment. Like and comment
and subscribe.
Yo, shit gets on my nerves. I love the word period. I'm so glad the city girls brought that shit out like period. Like, I love that word. For my 30 and up crew, like, tell me in the drop a comment and let me know what's the word that you say that the little youngest be like, oh my God, don't nobody say that word anymore. They get on my nerves. And they say little stupid words that they make up. I can say period. I love that word. I just love to say it like period. Like period. I'm making these jeans a large, you know, so I can go ahead and get them cut out for her jacket. And yeah, I need to get me a new silhouette because I want to. I'm trying not to buy another machine because I'm already packed to the max. I got like 4 printers, 2 laptops, a silhouette, a heat press. It's like a whole lot of stuff going on right now, and I need to just chill. But here we go with the glitter that vinyl that I will be using for the letters. And baby, this light ain't doing good. Hey, I'm still working on the lighting. Yeah, I tell y'all, I'm money making. I know how to make money. I don't do good. I'm doing this to make money. I'm trying to make money. I love making. Alright, so Money Making Junior ain't had no problem weeding this glitter vinyl, in which that's expected because I love weeding glitter vinyl also because it is so easy to weed as long as you cut it right. If you got the right settings for glitter vinyl, hey baby, it's gonna come out so good. It's just like you just peel it off. But
get to 12. No, we celebrating. We drinking tonight, ain't it? We partying.
No.
That's why you're not drinking.
No.
That's crazy.
Oh, no.
That's crazy.
No.
We can just have us a little party. Oh, shoot, Sharon, you ain't mess up. You ain't put a hole in this.
And what? Oh, it's alright. Keep going. It's yours. Oh, no. See? It ain't even gonna be noticeable. Stop playing with
Yeah, Sharon. You supposed to treat me like regular clientele, not family bougie knockoff discount.
Oh, no.
So y'all really ain't gonna let me get a little freedom? That's crazy.
Oh, no.
I don't drink anyway, it's just nasty.
Exactly. It's nasty.
You drink?
Whoa. You don't know what I do.
Oh, I know what you do.
You don't know what I do.
Trust me, I know what you
You
do.
don't know what I do.
Alright, y'all think I don't be knowing. But I know. You
What
know how I know?
You don't know nothing.
I know everything.
Girl, you know about chasing this money. Aha!
You
You see how I threw that in there?
You thought you ate. You thought you ate and you didn't.
You see how I threw that in there?
You thought you ate one, you didn't.
You see how I threw that in there? So we chasing money.
Chasing money. Like, no honeys. No babies.
These gonna be our little clips.
No, delete that out, Sharon.
No.
You know what? Let me see how you be doing. How about that? Yeah.
Girl. And they gonna be like, girl, that little girl.
No, they gonna call you annoying. Then I say, oh my gosh, this owner is annoying. I gotta get away from this. Yeah.
Am I annoying? Drop it in the comments.
You childish. They gonna say yes. Oh, we need some glue on this one. Alright, Sharon, this done. So what else we got?
Oh, yes. And while we talking about Amazon, let me go ahead and put some on y'all ear money gang. Amazon is now accepting Amazon influencers for your TikTok page. So if y'all got a TikTok page and y'all shop on Amazon, y'all better get on that. You can get paid as long as people buy from your link. So be ready. I'm going to set up my storefront and have everything straight for y'all soon. If I don't have it to you before I go on vacation, it would definitely be up by September the 1st. So be on the lookout. And if y'all want to join, because y'all know, hey, if I can make money, you can make money. And I'm going to let y'all know how much money out here, because there's money out here to be made. Should nobody be broke. You can just make money all day, every day. You make money. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get ready to preheat the dress. The dress is 100% cotton, so I did do my normal temperature of 350 at 1 minute 60 seconds. And yo, money gang, what's going on? Yo, I've been bringing y'all videos not every week. I've been trying, but y'all watching my video, but y'all ain't leaving no comments. Say y'all can say hey to us, you know. I ain't gonna bite. And let me know, like, how y'all like my videos. Y'all gotta let me know. Do y'all think this is something I can do? I'm trying to get a little bit more comfortable talking to y'all a little bit more, because that music shit is in the way. When I tell you, I don't know if I'm a little bit or it's just difficult or what, but I can't figure out the music thing yet. So I'm trying to get a little bit more comfortable with y'all, bring y'all a little bit more of raw footage of what goes on in the back scene. Hopefully, now I had to erase what my mom was talking about. My mom was crazy. Y'all get to learn, y'all get to know my mama real soon. Hopefully not, but you probably will, because my girl is always around. She be excited seeing the little creations her daughter make.
But yes. Now this was a little bit different. So I had to do the front and back. So once I did the front with the words, I did go ahead and flip it over, and I made sure that I still covered the back. Money Gang, she was getting on my nerves. It was late. I was trying to hurry up so I can get her home for school in the morning. She was just starting to get on my nerves. Like all this technology, sometimes I gotta take stuff step by step. I be trying to video for YouTube, try to take little clips on my phone for my social media. And she be trying to do the most when she around sometimes with my phone. I be like, girl, no, we gotta do it step by step my way, or I'm gonna be confused. These kids, like, I love her to death, but Money Gang, she was driving me crazy. She was getting on my nerves as soon as 12 o'clock hit. Like, as soon as 12 o'clock hit on her birthday, she was just getting on my nerves, getting on my nerves, getting on my nerves. Lord. But look, I thought it came out so cute though. Like, I ain't never did a jacket. This is my first time doing a jacket. So I was hyped. I was hyped a little bit, but the little girl was getting on my nerves. She was getting on my nerves. But all jokes aside, I do love teaching her. Like, she be learning everything I learned. That's why I do what I do. I told them, like, y'all gonna have videos to show y'all how to do things so y'all can be businesswomen or businessmen on your own. You don't have to work for no one else. Like, this is why I do what I do. It's for the kids and for anybody that want to make money. Like, if I can do it, you can do it. Now, if y'all need me to go a little slower on my videos, let me know. Like, I don't say that I'm an instructor, but I just do this for fun. And once they told me I can make money, it's like, yo, that's all you had to tell me. So y'all definitely start leaving little comments. Let me know. Talk to me. Money make Monique. Let money make it Monique know what you think. Cause you know your girl been going hard since she been getting out since she got that sick bed. You know what I'm saying? Girlfriend about to go on vacation in August. I can't wait. And yes, I'm bringing y'all with me. We are getting ready to go on vacation in August. Sing it with me now. We are going on vacation in August. My niece is getting married, and I'm so excited. My niece is getting married, and I'm so excited. Love y'all always. As always, thank you. We're almost at 100 subscribers. I appreciate you all every week. Anytime I drop a video, y'all watch it. I'm loving it. I'm getting more interaction. But, you know, let me know. Let me know what you want next. I think, I think, I think I'm going to go back to some, I don't know. Now let me know what next video you want me to do. I'm gonna try to kind of tired of doing these shirt videos, so I think I'm gonna go back to the craft area and show y'all and try to do something different with that. I don't know, cause it was a lot of things that I was seeing why last year that I wanted to try that I didn't get to try, and I'm about to try some projects. We about to do this. If I could do it, you could do it. Always remember. And thank you. Love y'all. Oh, look at that little booty, y'all. Look at that little booty. Good night. Love y'all.